Sophie, there's one. Sophie. Sophie, there's the lightning bug. Are you hiding from them? Oh, the poor flower. Lightning bugs are freaking you out. Get a close-up of Mr. Lightning Bug. It's good to see so many of them. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just a lightning bug. Just a lightning bug. Oh, there he is. He's on your leash. There he is. See him? Are you scared of him? He won't hurt you. You're so funny. Don't think you know what to do with it. Here's one. Sophie, here's one. I think she's trying to eat it. Where'd it go? They fly, you know. Sophie. Sophie. There's one. Sophie. Look, there's one. Oh, I used to be able to catch these. See? Look. Nope, where'd it go? See? See? It's over there. Where'd it go? What'd you do? Did you get it? They're just a... Your head's on top of it. Oh my God, you're eating them. And then spitting them out. Ooh, gross. Dag nabbit, that's not what you're supposed to do with them. Guess we're going to have to Google it, see if they're toxic. That is Sophie versus the lightning bug. I think Sophie's winning. Oh no, there's another one. I'm not going to point them out. I don't want them to die.